Guys, hey, welcome back. Going to do a quick review on reflections. I want to make sure that the most important aspects of our lessons, we really understand the basics. So here we go. We're talking about reflections. In this case, we're talking about in the coordinate plane, but I wanted to use a real image to help you visualize what we're talking about when we're talking about line of symmetry or reflecting over the x-axis. So let's look at the mountain peak right here. Okay, and then we're going to look at its reflection below the x-axis. So here we go. When we count, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5.5, right? So that's units up. So we can give that a value here, give it some meaning. The y value, 5.5. Now let's look at that same mountain peak. Here it is, reflected below the water line, in this case the x-axis. Okay, here it is. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So they're the same distance. Okay, and we're going to have to give this one a negative sign, of course, since it's below the x-axis. But the important key here, guys, is you know that when a point is reflected over any line of symmetry, will be equal distant, or the same distance above or below. Okay, that's our main point that I want you to think about here. So let's see what it looks like on an actual math problem. So again, we want to count how many units there are. So here we go. Now we're talking about triangle ABC. Okay, here is point A, and we need to recognize that it's 3 units above the x-axis. So when it is reflected below, the point is 3 units below. So here we're talking about A prime. Okay, point A has a reflection, A prime. Point B has a reflection, B prime. And since B is above the x-axis 1 unit, B prime is below the line of symmetry 1 unit. Last one, here it is. Let's look at C. C is 5 units above the x-axis. So where should C prime be? 5 units below. Okay? You connect your points, and it gives you the reflected triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Hey guys, I hope that helps. We'll see you again sometime in the near future. Any more questions, just ask. I'll try to give you a quick video tutorial.